If you are just throwing Gospider at a target and walking away, you are leaving thousands of dollars on the table. Modern bug bounty targets are built on complex JavaScript frameworks, hidden APIs, and forgotten staging servers. Today, I'm giving you my entire 2026 web crawling pipeline. I'm going to show you the exact multi-tool chains I use to rip a target apart, exact hidden secrets, and feed them straight into automated scanners. Do not try to write these down. The full copy paste cheat sheet is on my Medium blog and LinkedIn that are in the description. Let's get into the target terminal. Stage 1 is mapping the live application, and we are just looking at HTML. We need to pass JavaScript and interact with forms. For this, we use Katana. So for that, let's do Katana dash u and opera.com. Let's try headless and dash d6 dash jc, and also we can use dash form. I don't know why it's not working, but let's try. Let's remove this headless first and try, and let's do a new 1.txt. Look at this command. We are telling Katana to open a hidden browser if we use headless, that dash headless, and here we did crawl 6 directories deep, that is for dash d, and this dash jc is to pass JavaScript files for hidden endpoints, and this is for actually interact with and autofill forms. It captures background XHR requests and that normal crawlers completely miss. This is how you find the APIs no one is meant to use. So after that, we run this triple thread pipeline. We echo the target into Hakrawler, grab archives with Wayback URLs, and pull from the global alien vault cache with Go. So what we can do is, let's say we have this huge amount of URL list. As you can see, we have a lot of URLs. Let's do it. It's going on. So what we need to do is we will do like cat, and we'll first run hack crawler and then get the URLs into a file named hackcrawler.txt and wayback.txt and gov.txt. After that, what we will do is we'll just cat all these and then sort dash u with httpx and dash silent. So as we don't have these files because it will take a lot of time, so let me just close this and do 1.txt. We already have 13,000 URLs. So what we can do is let's do cat 1.txt. As I told you, instead of this, we'll be using Hackcrawler, Wayback Machine, and Go URLs. And after that, let's do sort dash u and httpx dash silent, and we'll save it as httpx1.txt. Wait.
One eternity later.
Yeah, this one. So what we can do is let's do cat and desktop opera web crawl 1.txt. After that, we'll be doing sort dash u. Now let's run httpx and dash silent, and let's try to do new this httpx dot txt, and we'll save it on that desktop. We'll save it here only. Yeah. Oh, let's run it. Yeah, it's working. So what we will do is we'll throw all three into a text file and sort for unique URLs and pipe it through httpx to see what is alive right now. So I've found critical IDOs on V1 endpoints that haven't been linked on the main site for 3 years just by using this chain. So after this, we'll be using our goad mod. Now for the kill chain, we have thousands of URLs. Manually checking them is a waste of time. We need to automate the vulnerability discovery. First, we pipe our results through Cariddi. I think I've spelled it right. I'll just close this and let's Cariddi and dash 1 dot dash u and 1 dot txt, but we'll do it like cd desktop opera. Let's do cat 1.txt, and I think I should do it right. Cariddi and dash s dash e and dash ext 1. Yeah, it's running. So let's do a new to 2.txt. Let's run it. So this chain crawls and simultaneously run regex to rip out secrets, API keys, and auth tokens hidden in JavaScript files. But here's my favorite pipeline that we can use, the recursive crawl into Nuclei autoscan. So we'll be using Katana -u opera.com -jc silent, and we'll use grep-e for dot php, asp, and jsp. Other than that, we can use just, and we'll use nuclei dash t nuclei with this. So we use Katana to hunt down dynamic files that are php, asp, and jsps, anything taking a parameter. Then we pipe through those exact high vulnerable targets directly into nuclei for high and critical severity scans. You can literally go make a coffee and come back to the terminal full of validated bounties. If you try to run these chains on your machine, you might get syntax error if you miss a single flag. That's why I have uploaded the entire ultimate crawling cheat sheet with every single command from this video over on my Medium and LinkedIn. Go grab it from the links below, copy it into your notes, and start hunting. If this blueprint helped you, hit the like button, follow me on X for my daily bug bounty payloads, and I'll see you in next one. Happy hacking.